guys, I hope you're all doing wonderful, and today I have a makeup tutorial. So this is in all the this eye look is all everywhere because it's a crazy look. I started with a different idea and I ended with a different idea, and it's crazy, but I really enjoy making this makeup eye look. I don't know, and you're going to see that in some parts I have a different style, and then I take it off and then I put it back, and I take it off and then I put something else, and then I don't like that and I take it off again. So yes, you're also going to see how can you actually erase something in the makeup that you don't like and you want to take it out or something. Basically all you see is black. Black is one of the colors that are really difficult to take out, so I'm gonna show you guys how my technique to take a color out that I don't like or something that I made a mistake out with just concealer and a sponge and just like paper towel or like toilet paper. That's it. These eyebrows are new to me because I don't do really like I used to do that, and then I stopped doing it for a while, and it's crazy because I didn't want to do it, but I kind of like them. The only thing is that they don't go well. I'm sorry, wait. The only thing is that they don't go well with my hair. I am going to shut up and let you guys watch the video.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter. now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing's enough.
Hey guys, quickly, I have done a change to my eye and I really didn't like the whole space, so it's not well done. I am going to blend that shadow in, so this will and blend it.
That I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
I actually forgot something. Oh my gosh. In the outro and the intro, you guys are not going, I'm sorry for the fan, I'm gonna say this really quickly, but in the outro and the intro I'm gonna look as if I forgot to do this, because I actually did. So I'm going to finish this right now.